In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for journaling. Whether you're a seasoned journaler or just getting started, using Notion can be a game changer. This versatile tool makes the journaling process more organized and accessible, allowing you to keep all your thoughts, reflections, and plans in one digital space. Let's walk through the process of setting up your own customized journaling system in Notion. First things first, you need to create a new page in Notion. When you open up Notion, you'll see a plus button or option to add a new page. Click on that, and this new page will be the foundation of your journaling journey. It's like starting with a blank canvas for all your creative thoughts and reflections. Once you've created your new page, it's time to give it a name. Let's call it Journal. Naming your page helps keep things organized, especially if you're using Notion for multiple projects or purposes. By clearly labeling it Journal, you won't have to sift through several pages to find your journal entries. Think of this as setting the stage for your creative process, where every entry is anchored in its designated hub. Now, in order to make this page functional and efficient, you'll want to add a new database. To do this, type in /table view. This command will create a table where you can input, organize, and view your journal entries effectively. Having a table view is particularly useful because it allows you to categorize each entry, making it easier to find specific reflections whenever you need them. After creating the table view, the next step is to add properties to this database. Think about the kind of journal you want to keep and what properties might be useful for you. Perhaps you want to include dates, moods, topics, or tags to quickly identify what each entry pertains to. Customizing these properties means you're not just keeping a diary, you're building a comprehensive log that adapts to your personal journaling style. This tailored approach is what makes Notion such a powerful tool for journaling. Finally, spice up your journal by adding different views for greater flexibility. Notion allows you to configure multiple views, like a calendar or gallery view. This means you can see your entries in different formats, which can be incredibly helpful if you're a visual thinker or if you like to have a snapshot of your entries from a different angle. By using various views, you ensure that your journal provides you with insights and perspectives that a traditional notebook can't offer. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've set up a dynamic and customizable journaling platform in Notion. This method not only enhances your journaling experience, but also keeps everything neatly organized and easily accessible. Happy journaling!